Namaskar. Today I am going to give you 5 different recipes for detox water which will help you lose weight effectively. These recipes include flavors of fruits, vegetables, berries, seeds, and spices. Prepare all these recipes by using 1 liter of drinking water. Allow the water to be infused for 1 to 2 hours. Remove the solid content and sip the water throughout the day. First, lemon and rosemary water. Cut 1 lemon into slices and put some rosemary. Add this along with 1 teaspoonful of chia seeds to 1 liter drinking water. Vitamin C and antioxidants in lemon promote good digestion. Rosemary helps in absorption of glucose and therefore maintains low blood sugar levels, which can reduce hunger. Chia seeds enhance the digestive health and metabolism. Now let's see our second recipe: cinnamon, apple, and tulsi water. Take 2 to 3 apple slices, 2 sticks of cinnamon of about 1 inch each, and 3 to 4 tulsi leaves. Drop all these in 1 liter water. Cinnamon increases your body capacity to produce heat and therefore helps to burn more calories. Tulsi is a miracle herb which not only just detoxifies the body but also increases metabolism. Our third recipe is zucchini, celery, and orange water. Cut half a zucchini into slices, chop 3 to 4 celery stalks, and add these to 1 liter water. Also add some slices of whole orange. Malta orange or santra is best, but any other variety of santra is okay. Oranges are excellent for maintaining good health as well as cleanliness of your digestive system. The fourth recipe is star fruit or amla, lemon and peppermint water. Cut 1 star fruit or amla into small pieces. Slice 1 whole lemon and take 3 to 4 peppermint leaves. Put all these into 1 liter water. Star fruit is tasty and low calorie. Amla prevents person from excessive eating and prevents fat. Lemons are effective in detoxifying body and helps in metabolism. Peppermint has a powerful aroma which reduces food craving. Lastly, we come to the fifth recipe: mango, ginger, berries, and sabza seed water. Mango ginger is also known as ambe halad in Marathi and aam haldi in Hindi. Take 5 to 6 slices of mango ginger root, 2 to 3 berries of any variety such as strawberries, blueberries, gooseberries, and 1 teaspoon sabza seed. Add these to 1 liter water. Mango ginger root or ambe haldi is used in treatment of obesity. Sabza seed reduces belly fat effectively. Berries are low in calorie. They are rich even in vitamin C and potassium. Any one of these 5 detox drinks can be had during early morning or late evening. You may sip them at once or any time during the day. For all these recipes, remember to allow the water to be infused for 1 to 2 hours with the ingredients, preferably in a glass jar. When it is ready, remove the solid content and drink rich, refreshing, detoxifying water for losing unnecessary weight. Apart from drinking such detox variety of water, you may also cultivate the excellent technique of Anitya Bhavana if you are overweight. This helps in gracefully accepting all the changes and happenings in your body. To practice this Anitya Bhavana technique, you sit with your back erect with eyes closed. If your mind remembers the events of the previous day in detail as they happen and observe how things around you change every day, make no attempt to judge any event or any happenings. This technique helps us to realize that nothing is permanent. Whatever your physical and mental condition is right now, remember, if you make a correct lifestyle changes, over some times you will emerge as a beautiful human being from inside and out. Namaskar.